Is the new e.l.f. liquid putty primer better than the OG original putty primer? We are about to find out. Hi guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So by the title you must have guessed that in today's video I am going to be reviewing for you this e.l.f. liquid poreless putty primer. This is a brand new launch by e.l.f. Cosmetics and this is supposed to be the liquid version of their OG e.l.f. poreless putty primer, and you guys probably know I love this stuff and this is my second container. I have already finished one up. I love it. So I am going to compare these two side by side and let's just see how they apply, how my foundation wears throughout the day, how my foundation applies on top of these two products. So yeah, without further ado, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Nita. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I could not find it on e.l.f.'s website. I went to Target today to pick something up and I just saw a whole new display with this particular product and it retails for $10 and the original one also retails for $10 and it comes in a cardboard packaging like this one over here, and you are actually getting 0.94 fluid ounces of product or 28 ml of product, and with the older one you are actually getting 0.74 ounces or 21 gram. So you are actually getting a little more product with the newer one. And when I was looking at the ingredient list on the back of the packaging, the ingredients are not the same. So though it is the liquid version of the newer one, the ingredient list is not the same. I will attach pictures on the screen over here so that you can pause the video and you can look at the ingredient list. So let's just talk about the claims. And I am currently on their Instagram page and it says liquid poreless putty primer grips makeup for a longer lasting wear, silky lightweight liquid face primer, minimizes the appearance of pores for a smooth complexion infused with squalene. And poreless putty primer grips makeup for all day wear and flawless finish, smooth velvety texture, glides over skin seamlessly, infused with squalene for optimal hydration. Okay, and it also says coming exclusively to Target online and in store early July, but I got it today. It's not even like mid-June. I don't know what's going on there. Squeezy tube like this. I quite like the packaging. It is quite cute and matte and pretty luxe. So yeah, those are the claims and all the information. And on this side of my face I will be using this OG one, and on this side of my face I will be using this newer one, and let's see how they wear, how they compare. And yeah, without further ado, let's just jump into the application process. I have been a fan of the OG putty primer ever since it was launched. Yeah, I am taking some of it and I'm just applying it on this side of my face. What I love about this particular product is it is very smoothing. It fills in all my pores, my wrinkles, and it just smooths out my imperfections and it gives my face a very nice soft velvety feel. My foundation just glides on smoothly on top of this particular primer and my foundation looks so smooth, and it also provides a little bit of hydration at the same time. This is a new one and it has a really nice liquidy runny texture to it. It is a liquid product and it has got that same slightly pinkish hue to it, and it does not have a smell, which I love. Ooh, the texture feels really nice. So yeah, I have already applied the primer and to be honest I do not see much of a difference. Both sides are looking pretty smooth, pretty soft and velvety, and I should say the newer side is slightly more smoother, slightly, ever so slightly. You know, I'm just trying to be thorough here, and yeah, let's just apply my foundation and see how my foundation applies and wears throughout the day. And whenever I am testing out a new primer, I always tend to use my trusted foundation. And for my foundation today, I am using the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear foundation. You guys probably know this is like one of my favorite foundations. So yeah, I am going to apply this foundation on top of this primer and see how it wears throughout the day. So I am back, and this is how my makeup is looking. On this side, of course, I have this original one, and on that side I have the newer one. And looking by them side by side, I do not really see much of a difference. Both sides are looking pretty smooth and pretty flawless, and my foundation just applied seamlessly. Like there was no peeling or anything happening. I got my sunscreen on, and the primer, both the primers, they applied beautifully, and my foundation just glided on, and it's looking pretty smooth. And that is the beauty about the Putty primer, at least with the original one. It's when you apply your foundation, it just makes everything look smooth and seamless, and yeah, I am quite liking it. So that is that. And one more thing, when I was applying the product, like the newer one on my face, it felt it was not too silicone or too slippery, but it has some kind of a hydrating property, and it was slightly tackier than the original one, and I felt like the newer one was slightly more smoothing on my face personally. So yeah, I'm going to wear this makeup for the rest of my day, and I will come back and give you my final thoughts. Hi guys, I'm back, and it's been a long day. It's currently 6:58 p.m. and this is a time when usually I take off my makeup, and I must say both sides are looking really good. So yeah, I'm not really seeing much of a difference between both sides. Yeah, not a lot of a difference, but this side of my face, I think this was the liquid primer side. It's a tad bit shinier on this area. Hope the camera is picking it up right here. It's a little more shinier than this side. Do you see? Like, yeah, it's pretty visible. This side is a little shinier, just a little, this side, and this side is not that shinier. I'm just trying to be more thorough, or I'm nitpicking at this point, but honestly speaking, there is not much of a difference. At least I'm not seeing much of a difference. Yeah, my foundation is looking so bomb, I must say, and that's why I love these primers, especially the OG one. It just always makes my base look so smooth, so poreless. Like, look, I'm super duper happy. And by the way, if you're wondering, I'm wearing this Juvia's Place liquid blush in the shade Peach Rose. I have not applied any powder blush on top, and this blush is going pretty strong. These are pigmented and it's going pretty strong. Like, my blush is looking bomb degree, so it's definitely a long-lasting formula. Anyway, what do you guys think? Just take a closer look and let me know if you guys can see a lot of a difference. Honestly, I don't. So you be the judge and you tell me if you can see any difference or not. So here is what I think, like my final thought. I don't see much of a difference, but I must say, when you touch this new primer, this liquid one, it feels so soft, so luxurious. It's almost like I'm using a high-end primer. The feel, you know, the experience is very luxurious. I don't see much of a difference on the way my makeup worked throughout the day. I think they both were formed in a similar kind of a way. So in case you already have this new primer, I do not think you need to run and buy this one. You know, take your time, finish this one up, and then if you want to try the new one, you can definitely go ahead and try it. So yeah, on its own, if you ask me, I give this primer a 10 out of 10. I love the packaging and I love the feel. I love the way it applied on my skin. I love the way how my makeup like wore throughout the day. My base is looking pretty perfect. I really like this primer. ELF is killing it this year, and I mean this year I have not tried any ELF product that I did not like. So here is what I think. I give this primer a 10 on 10. If you want to try it out, you definitely can, and I'm sure you are not going to be disappointed because you are seeing the result. It's looking really good, really flawless on my skin personally, and I have dry skin, but these days it's kind of summer. We are approaching summer, so my T-zone is oily and the rest of my face is a little bit drier. And I have tried this primer, at least this one, in New Orleans heat, and it really worked. So I'm assuming that it's going to be a perfect primer for all skin type, no matter if you have dry skin, oily skin, combo skin. I think it's going to be a really good primer because my nose area and my forehead is pretty shiny, but my foundation is not wearing off. It's like looking really good. So yeah, that is my review of the brand new ELF Liquid Poreless Putty Primer. If you find it at your local Target, I think you can give it a shot because this is a bomb product and I am super impressed, and I'm so excited to try this one more and more because it's looking so smooth on my face. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please do subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and TikTok, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description box down below, so make sure to check them out. So yeah, see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.